Yo guys, welcome to a brand new video, and today we're gonna do a rant on Girlgamer 15015, and she has a YouTube channel. It's called That One Weird Gamer, I think because she is weird. But yeah, let's get right into this video guys, because I'm gonna rant and roast the shit out of her. So I hope you enjoy, and let's begin guys.
That's not funny. That's not...
Because you were annoying.
My nigga, you just got roasted! Yeah! My nigga, you just got roasted! Yeah! You just got roasted, son. My nigga, you just got roasted! Yeah!
So she made a video, and it's called I Don't Care War on Gamer for Bros. Please learn how to spell bro.
Roasted! Yeah!
But okay, well the war is on, bro. So let's just watch the video and I guess roast her.
Hey, what's going on guys? It's the Leafy Mimicker here, and today we are declaring war on this guy named
Gay!
For Rose. Yes, I'm declaring war, YouTube war, against his fan base, I guess. Yeah, he tries to expose me, but he ended up exposing himself. Good going, Gaming for Bros, or
XXX Gaylord 420XXX,
as you call yourself. The war has started. Prepare to go down. I send out some high quality gameplay, as you can see, and you're gonna go down. The YouTube war has started. I have a team of several thousand people. I have a team of several thousand people on my side. I am a part of the
Illuminati,
several gaming communities, and they are a part of my communities. So you're gonna go down, Gaming for Bros. Just be prepared. I could strike at any time. I know I'm sounding a lot like Dylan the Hacker, but then again, I was raised off Dylan the Hacker's videos. Dylan the Hacker is like Papa Franku to me. He has taught me everything that I know. Yes, I will strike at any moment. So just watch your back. That's all I'm gonna say. Thank you. Yes, but you might want to watch out, because I have a team of several thousand people, several thousand slaves, and they are gonna come after you anytime. As soon as I just say the words, they're gonna attack you. My several thousand fans on Twitter and stuff, yeah, they're gonna attack you, so just be prepared, because I will strike at any time. And yes, I am very powerful. I know, I don't seem powerful, and I don't look powerful, and I sound like a complete moron, but I'm actually very powerful. So just watch your back. This is a fair warning. You have 5 days to prepare. and the war is on. I declare a war on you, Gaming for Bros. Just fair heads up. But you are gonna go down. And I have future plans.
I hope you all liked this video. It was satire, but yeah, I made this video in like 2 hours editing, and like just the recording is pretty simple as fuck, dude. But yeah, I hope you support my shit, so leave a like and subscribe, mate. And I will see you all next time. Goodbye.